Good morning, grade 8. Today is Monday, May 11th. We are in week 9 of remote learning. Whew. But do you see the finish line? I see it now. Now that we're, mid-May, June's coming up, graduation's coming up. I see the finish line. We got this. So, week 9 in science, we're continuing plate tectonics. And on Friday, you started to review the different names of the plate boundaries and what kind of goes on at each plate boundary. And this week, we're really going to study that. I've created one slideshow for this week rather than daily slideshows. And within that slideshow, it tells you when to stop. So there's like a big stop sign. Know that you've reached the end of what I expect you to do that day. And then you come back to the same slideshow and pick up where you left off the next day. If you want to sit and go through the whole slideshow in one day, go for it. It is pretty long though. Because it is 3 days worth of work. So on Monday, today, you're going to start the types of boundaries slideshow, and you're going to focus on the day 1, the first section of slides, and it's all about divergent boundaries. Please do the activities and participate in the discussion posts. Today, you do have a little hands-on activity within the slideshow with directions on how to do that. So you will need a piece of paper and some scissors. On Tuesday, tomorrow, you will pick up where the slideshow left off with the stop sign. Look for the stop sign to know when to stop today. And day 2 is all about convergent boundaries. Again, you'll have some activities and a discussion post to participate in. I think each day there's 2 discussion posts, if I remember right. Thursday's day 3, you're going to look at transform boundaries. You're going to do the exact same thing, complete the activities, participate in the discussion posts. And then that'll be the end of the slideshow. So 3 days, 1 slideshow, lots of things to do in there. Break it up into those 3 days. On Friday, I put in a document in the Google Classroom that is like a web quest. It's really not like a web quest. You're going to one website, but I couldn't find another word for it. But within that web quest, there's a link to go to this cool interactive website that helps you visualize real places on Earth that have these plate boundaries and real features that are created there. And you'll learn about those names and that geography. And you'll get to see how the plates move. So you're going to open the document, go to the link that's on the document, and then fill in the worksheet as you explore that website. And when you open that web quest, it makes a copy for me, so it should go right to me, and you won't have to share it because it's on the Google Classroom. Don't forget, Wednesday is your flex day. Catch up if you're behind. So those of you that didn't turn in a Layers of the Earth project, you should do that. Make it a drawing at this point. Measure it. Keep it simple. Those of you that didn't do last week's assignments, do one thing for each class on Wednesday if you're behind, because the finish line is coming and we don't want an empty grade book at the end of it. All right, and here's Taylor. So I'm making a video. I'm going to say goodbye. Oh, I got to go find that cat car. I care about you guys. I miss you. And those of you working on graduation, I'll be in touch this week because we're getting closer and we have to get some things filmed. Woo! All right. Bye.